In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit a text mask on Wix Studio, a powerful tool for enhancing the visual appeal of your website. Whether you're looking to make your text stand out or add a creative touch to your site, using text masks can be a great option. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your browser and make your way to Wix Studio. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar interface of the Wix editor, which serves as your canvas for creativity. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a button labeled Add Elements. Go ahead and click on that. This action will bring up a menu full of options that you can use to enrich your web page with various elements, so feel free to explore it later when you have more time. Once the menu is open, look for the Text option. Clicking on Text will allow you to access all text-related functionalities within Wix. This is where you can start making your website's content truly unique. Next, under the Text options, you should see the feature called Text Mask. This is what we'll be using to create the visually engaging text we talked about earlier. Click on Text Mask to see an array of pre-designed options that you can choose from. At this point, spend a moment browsing the gallery of text masks available to you. Each mask offers a different style and mood, so it's worth taking time to find the one that best captures the essence of your site. Once you've found the mask you wish to use, simply select it. With your text mask added, it's time to customize its content. To do this, click on the Change Text button. This option will allow you to input the words you desire. It's important to pick phrases that not only capture attention, but also align with your brand's message or the specific themes of your website. Now let's add that final personalized touch. Replace the placeholder text with something meaningful to you or your audience. You can type directly into the field that appears. Make sure to use engaging and concise language that communicates the precise message you want your viewers to take away. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a text mask in Wix Studio. This process not only enhances the visual quality of your site, but also helps it stand out in a crowded digital landscape. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to explore further customization possibilities within Wix Studio. Happy designing!